Now this is part 2 of the trail from the spring. We're going to return back home because the view of all the steps is rather stunning. So this is the latest stage of development of the trail. Most of our effort has been focused on everything leading up to the bridge. Now that that's done, we're going to clean out the area around the bridge, create the walkway a little more appealing, keep it natural. There it is, the bridge. And we might create a little path. As you can see, I don't know if you can see really well, but right in there is a natural deer trail. And of course, the big problem with this is, turn around. See that? That's a natural deer trail. So the big problem with this is every day we come down here, when we work, when we just walk down here, it's not a problem. But when we work down here, we get ticks. So every day we have to check. King Kong vine. Walking up here. Love the feel of this bridge. It's so solid, it doesn't even budge. We just made it out of cedar, pieces of cedar. Walking through that natural opening. We had to cut an opening because we were crawling through this log. We thought about diverting the trail up and around it, but that was quite a climb. So we just cut an opening, and we're going to use that right there as part of our wall. Flatten this out. Again, this is sassafras pass. The sassafras tree right there, and King Kong vine. Love it. Now, when we first built this trail, we were coming down and slip sliding the hill. We always thought up there where that little car is was the bottom. So I don't know if you can see this. Look at all those steps. It goes all the way up the hill. We built those. It's awesome. And it feels so good to walk up steps as opposed to try to avoid slipping and sliding. And I've walked the Appalachian Trail quite a bit, several states. And Appalachian Trail is full of hills. And because I'm just a weekend warrior, I never got my trail legs. And so walking up hills, they do me in. So we were hoping that something interesting would result of all these steps. Something that we can use as a diversion. And this is it. We're going to say, everyone who comes up here, sing the alphabet song as they go up the steps. Ready? 1, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. We are at the top. Now people are no longer thinking about how horrible all those steps were. They're just walking to the top and singing the alphabet song. I had no idea. We did not plan 26 steps. There's actually like 28, but 26 works. I'm a little winded. More steps. Coming through our new entryway. Switch back. And here we are. Now what I'm going to do is bring all these dowels that I just cut, and we're going to build some walls, some support walls by the bridge. So there's our trail. Hope you enjoyed it.